Now, why does your iPhone show that this accessory may not be supported? Let's explain that and let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, make sure you are subscribed right now because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So at first, there are some reasons why it might happen. Obviously, this is not going to happen with the official Apple accessories. It's going to happen with third-party accessories because there are some non-certified cables or charging bricks, and iPhone can display this message when you're using these accessories which are not certified by Apple. So there's a thing called MFI certification, which stands for made for iPhone or iPad, and you need to ensure that when you are buying your accessories that certificate is like attached to it, so you actually get a proper accessory. Obviously, the reason is that the quality is the issue here because the cheap third-party accessories can sometimes cause this, right? So that might be the thing. Outside of that, even if you are using like the official cable, there might be something going on with either the official cable or the ports, right? Like the USB-C or Lightning port on your iPhone might have some dust or debris in it, which can cause connection issues, and this sometimes might even show this message. So that's something that I would do. Obviously, use some kind of non-metallic object to get out of the dirt from the port. For example, a toothpick. Just be very gentle with it to not cause any issues, right? But sometimes it also might be caused by simply a glitch in the software, so restarting the iPhone cannot hurt you, right? That's a good idea. And also ensure that you are running the latest version of the operating system. So if there is a new iOS update, go ahead and install it, and it can only help your device. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.